Hi everyone, welcome to another video in Overleaf series. Today we are going to learn how to refer a particular section in a research paper. So my name is Dr. Himatalisha and I will guide you about this topic. So I have opened my research paper. This is called example research paper. You can see on the top, the name of the paper is example paper, and the name of the paper is forecasting patients flow for the customers. So I am the user, I'm the first author, Himat Alisha, and XYZ and examples are the three other two authors. So I have given complete paper here. So you can see there are three different sections in Overleaf. Number one section, this called on top left corner above me. This first section is called menu section, where you have a project open, and inside the project, the documents that is main, and then we have folders and the structure of the files. The middle section, our central section, is called code editor, where you can edit your complete code, whatever you're writing here. So it will appear on the other side of the PDF reviewer or compiler section. This third section, our right section, is called compiler or PDF reviewer section, what we change here. So we start our steps. So what we are going to do is how to format and refer to a section in research paper. So first steps to add labels to each section. So let's find what sections we have in research paper. Normally we write uh, somewhere in the end here, in introduction there about the, for example, I can an example remainder of this paper this paper is structure is follows. Section 2 is a review section and relevant and so section 3. So how we going to refer these sections particular with the particular names automatically. So first of all, let me go each section. So you can see we have main document. Now I can show you the main documents. Inside the main documents, we have input, introduction, and research method, and so on. So first of all, we need to go inside the introduction in the sections part in the folder section. Here we can see the remainder of this paper is a structure as follows, section 2. So we have to put a refer here. So far we are referring, so we need to provide a refer. So we need a label for that particular section. So for example, inside the literature review, if I go inside the literature review, here I have a literature review. Here I need to create a label. I say label, then I just, for example, I say literature review. So I just gave it this section a label, a name. So now I go inside introduction and say, for example, section, and it will appears automatically. You can see here. So then we don't need to write manually this number here. So this will appears automatically. Yeah, we need to save this one first. And then in the introduction section, with a section with a literature review. Yeah. Yes. And we need to call this section as well here because this was not called in the main. So literature review was not called anywhere. So that's why it doesn't appear here. So we need to call as input. Input, then we have this literature review. Now this will appear here. You can see. Yeah, you can see section 2. So this takes the name automatically now. Next, we have uh, another section. For example, we have then research methodology. Let's name this research methodology as level and section dot, we say methodology. Okay. And we go inside the main, and then we, in introduction, we have to review and section 3. This is section 3. So we say refer, so methodology comes automatically. So you can see now the third number is here. Same way, now we have results. Results we also can put here. We'll also put here level and section, for example. So you can use any name here. Doesn't necessarily that you use section. You can use like a refer, or you may use any word here. So now let's refer this result here, results here. So for example, this one section, then we say refer, and then we have this results, refers results. And then we can see those. Same way, you can call others. Fifth is missing is still. Now fifth is, yeah, discuss conclusion maybe. Yeah. Section 5 is conclusion. So we have conclusion section. We can create a label for conclusion label, and we can say section. Okay. And then we just start referring fifth section here. Section source refer. So refer, and then we have conclusion. So let's also call this conclusion section here. So we say input reserve a section, and not a section, but input. Input, and we have this conclusion. Yes, so now you can call any section anywhere. Now our document is ready. You can see the remainder of this part is, yeah, you can see, check this one.